Early Old Malayalam is the attested form of the earliest traces of the Malayalam language during the Old Tamil period. Some scholars consider it a separate language, while others regard it as a variety of Old Tamil. Although early Old Malayalam exhibits certain differences from attested Old Tamil records, there is insufficient evidence to conclusively demonstrate that it was a distinct language. This form of speech existed during a period when Malayalam and Tamil had not yet fully diverged, but it shows indications of an early linguistic split between the eastern and western regions. Here is how numbers would have sounded in early Old Malayalam.
Undu, Irandu, Moondu, Nalu, Aindu, Aattu, Elu, En, Thon, Pattu. Here are a few attestations of early Old Malayalam.
Palpulidatta Kari, Karigora Pattan Charuma. Ee Pazhama, Vengomalai Kachavanu Chatti.
Old Malayalam is the earliest attested stage of the Malayalam language following the complete separation of the eastern and western branches of Old Tamil. Old Malayalam continued to serve as the administrative language of Kerala from approximately the 9th to the 12th centuries CE. Scholars such as Shanmugam have dated the emergence of Old Malayalam to at least the 8th century CE. The Old Malayalam period belongs to the post-Sangam era, corresponding chronologically to the period of Middle Tamil in the Tamil-speaking regions.
The following reconstruction illustrates how Old Malayalam may have sounded in actual speech, bearing in mind that its written form differed significantly from its spoken form. Owing to the influence of Sentamil, the written records of Old Malayalam exhibit numerous orthographic and lexical features derived from that literary tradition. Furthermore, Sanskrit loanwords were typically written using the Grantha script. However, based on the phonological characteristics of Old Malayalam, it is highly probable that native speakers pronounced such words according to the phonological patterns of Malayalam rather than adhering closely to their original Sanskrit pronunciations. Consequently, the spoken language may have differed considerably from the formal written register preserved in inscriptions and manuscripts.
A sample from the Varapalli Cheppeda.
Namachivaya. Chiri Raja Rajadi Raja, Paramechura Pattaraga Rajachegara Tevarku, Chellaninda Yand 12. Avvand, Thiruvattuvayi 18 Natarum, Varapalli Oorarum Kudi, Rajachegara Tevan Thirukkai Keezhvattu Cheida Kacham.
A sample from the Tharisapalli Cheppeda.
Ivvand, Venadu Valginda Ayyanadigal Thiruvadiyum, Madhikararum, Piragirudiyum, Manikkiramavum, Anjuvannavum, Punnathalappadiyum, Ulvattu, Kurakkeni Kollattu, Echodada Pirayi Cheevitha Tharuchapalli, Ayyanadigal Thiruvadi Kudutha, Viduperavathu.